Hi, and welcome to Buy It Again Sports auction for eBay auctions. Up for auction, I have a pair of Blizzard snow skis, profile, new, still in the factory wrapping, size 192. Very nice set of skis. Once again, Blizzard, profile, never been mounted, of bindings, have never touched snow. I have a sticker price here of $450. Let me turn them over and I'll show you the bottoms. Paper is ripped a little bit. I will tape it up prior to shipping, but you can still see that they are in excellent condition. Alright, turn them back over again. Blizzard's profile, and you can find them at Buy It Again Sports on eBay auctions. I have other sporting equipment, golfing, snowboards. Check it out. Thank you.